Alright, kami sedang berada di sebuah bukit batu-batuan yang di sini disebut dengan batu sedimen yang berada di tempat yang dinamakan Mountain Kajai. Kajai Mountain, okay? Look, it's beautiful, beautiful, and it's nice. It's very, very cool. It's wonderful. It's the you wow.
Wow.
You look, it's this rock is very, very oh wow, it's wonderful. Oke, bagi yang ingin kesini, kontak aja kepada Hema Rizky at 12. Oke, thank you very much and